Hello everyone, and today again we have a proud DBMCI student, Dr. Manika, with us with the amazing score of 683 in the recent NEET PG 2021. So, welcome, Manika.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much for
Heartiest
having me here.
congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. We are again very happy and very proud to have so many stars from DBMCI, and we really, feel great when you all come up in flying colors. So, elaborate something, tell and share your experience with us. How did you started your tests with us? How frequently you used to give them?
Ma'am, I had enrolled in the GT pack, which was, I think, started in January this year. So before that, I was very irregular in giving GTs. So I needed something, that stays live for a particular amount of time, and uske baad usme rank nahi aayegi. So that I'll have some time-bound situation ki I have to give it in this particular time. So that's how I got regular with my GTs. Every 10 days there used to be a GT, and I think every third or fourth day. उसमें after the test after 4 days we used to get our results, and we could analyze it really well. Explanations were really great. Like most of the questions, we didn't need to refer to other books after. If we have any doubt in a question, the explanation was sufficient to clear that. So
okay. So how much importance will you give, Manika, to giving the test in your journey to NEET PG entrance examination?
I think it's the most important thing that I did, because notes पढ़ने से concepts इतने अच्छे से apply करना is something else, and knowing stuff is something else. So this is one thing I changed after my November INICT didn't go as expected. That I realized I was not good at examination skills. So I worked on that. I practiced more and more GTs, and that is how I improved. So I think this is the most important change that I made after November, that I could remove like so many zeros from my rank.
Yes. So what was your rank in the earlier exam?
Ma'am, 5,632.
So I think it's an amazing journey and amazing jump.
Yes,
right. So how frequently you used to give the test?
Ma'am, I never missed any test. There used to be a test every 10th day. So I never missed any of those tests. Initially, that was a pack of 10 GTs. So I gave all of them. After that, NEET PG got postponed. So I bought another pack, NEET PG booster. It had 8 GTs. So I gave all the GTs and all the free mocks that were available on the eGurukul app and Test Press. So I gave all of them.
All right. So that was something that means you were really liking the test, and
Yes,
you are having a great time. That shows. Okay. So how do you feel was the level of questions, the difficulty level, the level so that you can actually learn to apply the concepts, the level related to the questions you actually got in NEET PG 2021?
I'm actually initial part of my preparation. I was not aware that I should be doing this GT. One of my friend, he also got a great rank in AIMS. He suggested me to join this GT pack. So I really loved the questions, and they were so clinical. Even if I have not read the subject, and if my concepts were strong, I could, mark the answer correctly. So that is what I loved about the test. It wasn't like कि अगर मैंने मतलब एक महीने से मेडिसिन नहीं पढ़ी है तो I will not be able to mark it. It was not entirely memory based. It was conceptual. So that is what I really loved about the test. And I used to wait कि अब 10 दिन हो गए, now I'll be able to give another test. So it was really exciting.
So you were really excited that a new test will be coming and you will be able to challenge your limits, push your limits, right? Okay. So, Manika, apart from giving tests, what do you think is important that you did in the last months of your journey that actually, aided your preparation and pushed you towards this score?
Ma'am, in the last month, I did not go through much of the resources. Like we have so many things online, available online. So I knew that, going through a lot of stuff will not help at this point of time. I should rather work on what I already have. So I did, I think in the last 30 days, I managed to do 2 revisions of the entire syllabus. And in the last 3-4 days, I could go through the previous year papers and the volatile topics like that have been asked in the previous year papers.
Okay, so how much importance do you give to doing this previous year questions?
Ma'am, for INICT, it's extremely important. You cannot afford to miss out on this because not just the topics are repeated, even direct questions are repeated. So like around 10 questions in this INICT were direct repeats from previous year questions. And topics, so everybody knows, like, it's easier to predict AIMS paper ke topics than NEET topics.
Yes,
that is what I believe. So I had done previous year questions for past 4 years. I think at least 3 times. So well, that is really important. You need to know what the examiner is going to ask.
All right. Acha, then how did you cover the COVID updates? Because if you remember, we had given a separate COVID test also. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
was your experience with that?
Ma'am, I watched, I think almost all the videos on DBMCI YouTube channel. There's a playlist COVID.
Yes,
So I
yes.
watched almost all the videos because there you have everything at a place. We don't need to
Yes.
go through multiple resources for COVID. And ma'am, NEET में तो कोई question आया नहीं था, but INICT
that was so unexpected that they did not
Yes,
give
ma'am.
any questions. Yes.
ma'am.
But
But,
actually, we could not have taken the risk, and you have to
ma'am.
go all prepared for
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Ma'am, it was not at all expecting COVID se question nahi aayega.
Nahi aayega. And this year they did all the unexpected things actually.
Yes, ma'am.
So this year was full of unexpected things, unpredictabilities. But one thing was there, because you could not get the COVID stuff anywhere, because that was a pandemic thing and we were not having much data in the book. So we made it a point that we will give all the data. I think we uploaded all the subjects related to the COVID at one place so that students are confident enough. What if the question was not there, but actually you had that confidence that even if the question is there, so that
Yes,
kind
ma'am.
of motivation from the confidence is also required. They did not give, but nobody knew that they will not give. What if they would have given? So did you watch the other YouTube videos also? Like, I think we had done a lot of videos on the last sleep of the NEET and
Yes,
the 10 most important topics, image based sessions, because people wanted more of interaction with the faculties, because there were a lot of postponements and we were missing that face to face interaction. So what is your experience about those?
Ma'am, I attended all of these NEET last sleep sessions for I think April के पहले भी they were conducted. So I attended all of them at that time. For INICT also I attended almost all of these. For NEET I could not because I had already joined my duties, so I could not see those videos, but they really helped, ma'am. Especially, I think I clearly remember you taught anisocoria in one of the, I think, INICT last week videos.
Yes.
So before that, I could never understand how do we really analyze it. And there was a question November INICT also on that, and I had marked it wrong. So it felt so nice कि अब अगर ये question आ गया, I will not mark it wrong. So they really helpful.
So we really made it a point that we cover all the high points there. And especially I had taught all the flowcharts that I felt that they are important, and usually students are getting them wrong because of one reason or the other. So I think that sessions helped the students a lot, and we get a lot of feedback jiske wajah se we gave repeated so many things there. All right. So Manika, any other advice that you would like to give from your experience to your juniors, to your colleagues?
Ma'am, I think we should all believe in ourselves, because if I can do it, I think anybody can. I made so much improvement.
That is so modest of you, yeah?
Ma'am, in the span of 7 months, if I can improve so much, I think anybody can. पहले मुझे भी लगता था कि 2-digit rank वाले तो बड़े लोग होते हैं. I should not even think of that. But it happens. You should just believe in yourself. So and keep working on your weaker zones. Give as many GTs as you can and analyze those. Like not giving GTs and not analyzing them is not a good idea. You have to analyze each and every GT that you give, like in a proper way. You cannot just read the explanation and let it be. You have to know what are your weaker zones and work on them. So I think that is the key.
All right. Any Anybody particularly you want to thank? Any faculty, anyone? Then you can use this platform.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Anu. Ma'am, after INICT, she's really supportive. Like, if when
Yeah, she is one person who is always worried about the
yes,
students.
ma'am. Ma'am, she used to text in how was the exam? How did you feel the exam? So she used to ask,
Mhm.
how are you doing and how is your preparation going? So I felt really connected. So, and ma'am,
Yes, yes.
Dr. Ashwini's lectures, ma'am, I got all the anatomy questions correct. Even though this was one subject I was really scared of in my UG days, कि
Hmm.
anatomy तो नहीं होगी, but NEET में and INICT also in fact, I marked all the anatomy questions correct. And ma'am, everybody, and your videos on Last Leap were really amazing. I was not a regular student, but Last Leap videos, I watched all of them. And one more video, I think INICT ki, a day before INICT only, in the
Yes,
night you were
just
live.
before one
Yes,
day.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I attended
I
that as
was
well.
also not very sure of doing a video just one day before, and I like people said that will the people watch it because they are having the paper in the morning, and I said
Yes, ma'am.
let's see, let's try because I want to really help them, and it was amazing response. People were there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, उस time समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या पढ़ना है. So
Yeah,
it was really helpful, just listening to you and ma'am, everybody, Dr. Rajat, and I follow his YouTube videos. He motivates us so much through his, morning mantra sessions. So yes, every faculty has played like a great role, and thank everybody. Like I am here, it's all because of like
yes.
and the hard work of teachers and everybody. So
No, Manika, it's the hard work of the students actually, and we are, lucky that we could contribute to your success story, and we are really proud of all of you. So I will say congratulations once again for your great
thank you so
endeavors,
much, ma'am.
and we wish you that you get every success in your future endeavors too.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's really great to talk to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.